Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dollybell. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of an iPad mini 6, and I'm also going to be showing you some accessories that I got from Amazon. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is the iPad mini. I got it in the color purple. I didn't want to get it in any other color. I got the iPad mini because I already have a laptop for school. This is very small, and it was very convenient for me to get because I'm a small person, I have small hands, so it's going to fit comfortably in my hands. And it's a portable device, and I can actually use it as a secondary device. I don't need the iPad Air, which is the bigger one, and I know that, that one's way more popular probably. I don't know. But yeah, so I got this, and for accessories on Amazon, I got a purple case. I got it in the color purple because the iPad is in purple, so I kind of just wanted to match like the aesthetic, I guess you would call it. And then I also got a screen protector for my iPad, which I probably won't be putting on myself. Every time I put on screen protectors, there's just a whole bunch of bubbles on the screen. Yeah, and I also got the Apple Pencil. Why would you get an iPad and you're not going to get the pencil? So I got the Apple Pencil for the iPad. And then for the Apple Pencil, for the accessories, I actually got grip holders because I was watching a lot of reviews on YouTube, and there was just some people saying that it was just a lot more comfortable writing notes and stuff like that with the grip on it. I don't know, people were complaining about the Apple Pencil sliding and stuff like that, so I was like, you know what, I'll get it, and it was cheap, so I just got it. So we're just gonna get right into the unboxing, and yeah. So that is the iPad. Honestly, it's so cute. I love it. The color, the purple, I don't know if I see it. I thought it was going to be more purple. But I do love it. I'm going to turn it on. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the case on. Oof! That looks so good. And the purple actually looks good with the purple of the... Wow. So the pencil goes in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. Oh my god! I love it. I want to turn it on already. So I did want to take this for notes. If I practice, oh, I don't want to touch it yet. Oh, the screen protector. Oh. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna be the one to put the screen protector on. Okay, so we got the case on, the screen protector's on, everything looks good. The Apple Pencil looks amazing. Hello. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. It's gonna take a while because set up manually. I don't know if I want to do quick start or set up manually. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up manually because I don't know where to start. Oh, the Wi-Fi password. I don't know it by heart. Okay, so for Touch ID, I just learned that there is a fingerprint for the Touch ID, so I don't know which angle to... Okay, added. Alright, add another fingerprint. No. Set up later in settings. Create a passcode. Continue. It's on 84%. This thing came charged enough. Siri. I'm gonna set up that later in settings. I don't want to do that right now. I just want to. This is what the iPad looks like. Oh my god, it feels nice. Oh, this is crazy. I have an iPad. The camera. I'm gonna try that out. The camera isn't. Oh, I kind of like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably start installing apps like what I want on my iPad. I didn't want to transfer every app that I have on my phone onto here because, and like all the photos and everything, I just didn't want to do that right now. I kind of just want to have what I want on my iPad. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing things. You know, definitely school stuff because I'm gonna use this for school, so don't try the pencil. Now that I have the screen protector on, it's definitely a good time to try the pencil. So, ooh, smooth. Okay, so it seems like the harder you press on the screen, the bigger the letter will be, obviously. So I really wanted to try that, so I'm glad I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing apps that I want on my iPad. I'm gonna keep saying my iPad because I got an iPad. My iPad, mine. My iPad, so I have to go to the App Store. So I'm gonna download that. I'm gonna get it. Wow, I'm honestly really, I thought this was gonna be a lot smaller. I was seeing a lot of reviews saying that for note taking this was really small for some people, but I think for me it might be ideal. Like it's a mini, but it feels big to me. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download the apps that I want to download, and then I will show you what my iPad looks like after. So I do want to give you guys, so this is what my iPad is looking like right now. I actually just put in the apps that I want to have on my iPad. I did not want to set my iCloud. I did not want to just take everything from my iPhone and put it on my iPad because I just want my iPad to be for what I want it for. So basically, I just have, iMovie to edit my YouTube videos, and I also have apps here for school. This iPad, I did want it for school, so I can just take some storage off of my phone. I did get, I have my student. I recently just got the Good Notes app. I saw some reviews on it on YouTube, and a lot of people saying that it was a really good note-taking app, so I did purchase that on the App Store. I have my medical terminology app, Word, PowerPoint, all of the good stuff for school. And I also have all of the necessary apps I need for YouTube. So my YouTube Studio, I have the YouTube app, obviously. Sketchbook, that is to edit my thumbnails and stuff like that. I also have Netflix and, Disney Plus because I do want to watch. I'm happy that I have a bigger screen to watch Netflix on. I do have my laptop, but my laptop is just so big. The way it sits on my bed is just it takes up too much room. So I'm really glad that I got this iPad mini. It's small, so it's going to fit perfectly next to me while I'm laying in bed. I'm actually so excited for this because, again, I didn't want all my apps on here, so I don't have Snapchat, like I was saying before. I didn't want all my apps for my phone on my iPad. No Snapchat, no Instagram, because I don't want too many notifications to pop up on my iPad. I just need it for school and YouTube and just little things like that. So, and like I said before, this device is portable, so that will make it easier for me to bring it to school and everything. I have Hulu and Pixar. That is, I use that app to edit my thumbnails as well. So yeah, that's it. It's really basic. I don't have much on my iPad, and it's really fast. I like that. I don't have much on my iPad, as you can see, but that is okay. I did want it for the purposes that I wanted it for, and I'm really happy with my purchase. So that's what my iPad looks like. And I also want to show you guys the Apple Pencil. So yeah, it comes out of there like this. So I did make a journal because I did want to use also, I want to use this iPad for journaling because I don't like to buy notebooks. So I did make a notebook for journaling, and I also made a notebook recently for law and ethics class. So that's, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed to like open this because my handwriting is so ugly. So I basically wrote some notes yesterday or the day before, I don't remember, but I did write some notes. And you can also do some split screen with this, and I can split the screen, and I can probably open up, I don't know, with YouTube. I'm gonna click on one of my videos, so my channel, and click on here. Doing a what's in my backpack. So I started on January 10th, and it has been. So yeah, I can do that. There's a lot that I can do on this iPad. I don't know all the tricks and stuff like that to using this iPad, but and the pencil charges wirelessly with the iPad. I don't know much about the iPad yet. I didn't get all the tips and tricks like that, so I do have to explore it more. So yeah, that's my iPad. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. So yeah, I really enjoyed making today's video. I am clearly really happy with my purchase. I love my iPad already. Like, I can't wait to just explore it more and just use it more, get used to it. Yeah, so thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!